Hey everybody, Brian back with you, and in our Locomotion Month series, today we're working on side hops. So, fantastic, again, a way to get you moving in the frontal plane, so side to side, to create lateral stability in the hip, the knee, the ankle. Really important when we're doing more walking, jogging, trail running, any of those things where we really need a lot of strength and stability in those joints. We want to get you out of moving this front to back, the sagittal plane, and start to move in the lateral or the frontal plane. So the way we set this up, we're going to go ahead and get the band around the pelvis, and we're going to do a side hop. So it's a 1-2 side hop, and then 1-2 back. So 1-2 to the side, 1-2 back, 1-2 to the side. Try to stay in front of the post here, and then back. 1-2, 1-2. Of course, we turn around, go the other direction with it. So 1-2, 1-2. 1-2, 1-2. As you get pulled back towards the upright, we want to make sure that we're doing a good deceleration here, so we're taking our time with it. Maybe initially you step back. So we hop out, step back. If you feel safer with that, good place to start. And then as you get comfortable with the band you're using, the level of resistance, you can increase it to that side hop and then side hop back. And again, fantastic for the joints in the lower body. If you got your Fitbit, your pedometer on, you're also going to get that step tracking and counting in and doing something other than just walking straight forward, which is good, but we want to incorporate and add some of these other movements into it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video in our Locomotion Month series.